Bulldozers are 125 for 4. Can they stem them from getting that 150, 160? I've got Apoorva, Lakhya. All right, can you stop the flow of runs now? You need a couple of wickets here.
That's true, but we've got a pretty good batting lineup, so I think 1 or 2 more wickets would put them under pressure. I think the run rate has anyway gone down to about 8. At one point it was almost 10. So for 2020, I think 7.5, 8 is not bad per over.
It certainly isn't. How have you enjoyed this experience as far as, the Mumbai team has done so much better? That's what everyone keeps talking about. What have you taken away from it personally?
I think last year we came as heroes and we played like heroes, like zeros. I think this year we're taking it really seriously because it got to a point of embarrassment. We thought it was going to be all fun and games, but when it was telecast on TV and in movies, our guys beat up 20-30 people at one go, and when they drop 6 catches, it's pretty embarrassing. So we practiced really hard. We've got curfews going. Anna's been really strict this year.
I believe so. I believe there's no partying, there's no late nights, no boozing, none of that, huh?
No, he's been very strict. We have these strict meetings. In fact, today we went into the pool in freezing water and did some exercises. So I think it's all for the positive, and we personally realized that we need to win because our team owners have been extremely nice to us, Salman and both Sohail. We've been provided for everything. There's never been any shortage, and I think we want to do it for ourselves because last year people thought we were a bunch of idiots, running around the field like headless chicken. And I think this year we really want to prove, and I think we have the capability and the thing in our team to go all the way.
Brutally honest, that's just the way I like it, Apoorva. But tell me something a little fun. Have there been any fun collaborations that have come out of this? Have any new projects that have come out of CCL when you get time to talk shop, so to say?
I think the only reason we are all playing CCL is because most of us are unemployed. So the busy actors could make it,
So will we see a CCL movie? Oh, let's have a look. What do you think?
Drop. Okay.
Interview continues, right? So tell me, any collaborations, any CCL movie, serial that we should watch out?
I think we are still gelling. This year has been fantastic, and as far as movies, we're all doing. Yes, Kabir Saldana has started his own film, and he's taken, I think, 4 people in his film. I was going to be in the film, but after I got injured, he threw me out, which was a little upsetting because I thought that would be my chance to carry on since they've got so many rules about acting. But not really, we're doing it for fun. It's for cricket. We love the game. We love our team. We represent our fraternity, Mumbai. And we play for fun, but at the same time, we take it very seriously.
And talking about taking it seriously, so many of you are like the walking wounded. You're getting a lot of injuries. I mean, obviously, is this taking more of a strain on your body than a punishing shooting schedule?
Yeah, see, in movies, everything is done by different people. Actors don't go and jump off trees and all that. It's done by extras. Then they land on the floor and there's a cut to their close-up. So in this, you got to do everything yourself. And you got to be fit. We guys are not 20 years old, though in our mind we think you are 20. But, what you have to appreciate is eventually someone like a Sunil Shetty or anybody else, they're actors. And we are playing cricket, and it takes a lot of guts for actors and directors and people like us to come onto national television and try our level best. And I think that is the most important thing, that we are not cricketers. We are actors playing cricket because we love the game. We are playing cricket because different fraternities, we can get to know them, and we're playing cricket for the fun of it. But, we're definitely not cricketers, and we're not fit.
You could have fooled us at times. Thanks so much for this interview, Apoorva, and all the best.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, Mayanti. Definitely at the moment, runs are coming for Karnataka Bulldozers. A heave on the onside, was in the slot, and very nicely executed, playing in the gap. And that ball just rocketing to the fence. Crowds here in Bangalore, they are delighted, on their feet. The team has recovered well. Once again taking on the full, running the first one hard. Just settling for one, better since prevailing. In fact, hitting the stumps and resulting in overthrows. It's all happening. 135 for 4.